How to quit agency on Poppolive. So if you want to quit agency on Poppolive, then first you need to open up your Poppolive application. Make sure to log into your account. So in order for you to create an agency, you have to do it from your profile. So go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here on the profile, you need to simply scroll down to the bottom area of your screen and you need to go with the help option. Once you tap on help, now you need to wait for a few seconds and this kind of page appears, right? After that load, here you will have an option of how to quit an agency. So simply tap on that option. And here it says that please kindly send the quitting agency application in My Agent, then wait for your agent's approval. If your agent agrees that you leave the agency, you will be removed from the agency automatically. So let me show you where you can see My Agent option so that you can quit the agency application. So you just need to go back to your profile, and under your profile here you will have My Agency option, right? Tap on My Agency. Once you tap on that option, now from here, if you have any agencies that you've joined, then you need to simply send an application to the agency. So once you send the application, it will be either approved or declined. So you have to wait for a response from them, and that's how you can quit an agency. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.